Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you have joined me for another session. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Keturah, and on this channel, you can expect to find content on home refresh, interior styling tips and ideas, and some lifestyle. So, guys, if this is something that interests you, I would ask that you please watch the content. And if you are pleased with what you saw, consider subscribing to the channel and becoming part of the family. All right, guys, so I am back in the bedroom and I'm just making a couple of minor changes. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm changing out the nightstands. I had put these ones in the bedroom recently, but I'm just changing it out again. These stands are from Facebook Market. As you can see, the legs are removable and they are very lightweight and are ideal for small spaces like this one. So next I am bringing in the previous nightstands that I had in the bedroom. And these stands, I got them from Bellevue and they have the fabric drawers. These pieces, I would say they are a lot more functional than the other two in terms of providing storage. But I am on the lookout for something more permanent because these two nightstands, they are really just temporary fixes. The space in here, guys, is very tight, and so it's a bit of a challenge in finding the right pieces that would not only fit the space but would provide me maximum storage. So I'm taking my time in finding the pieces that I know would work for me in such a small space, but will also serve me in another space if I were to move to there tomorrow. So guys, the next change I'm going to make is with the canvas that is above the bed, and I am going to remove that one that I have right now, and I'm going to put back the first canvas that I had in its place. And both canvases come from Home Sense. All right, guys, so I have already made up most of the bed. I have removed the sheets and I have put on fresh linen. And now I'm just laying out the duvet. Now, some of you asked about the duvet. The duvet set came from Amazon. So I am trying out a new look with the duvet on the bed. I decided to tuck in the ends of the duvet into the bed frame. It takes a bit of effort, yes, but I like the end result simply because it makes it so much easier to walk around the bed. But let me know what you think, guys. Do you think it's a good idea? It's a better idea to tuck the ends of the duvet inside the bed frame, or do you think it's better to just leave the duvet exposed, like draping over the bed frame? So comment below and let me know what you guys think about that. Alright guys, so we have made it to the end of yet another video, and if you stayed with me right up to the end, thank you a million times over, because when you watch it, when you let the video run right to the end, it does make a difference. So I thank you guys, and now it is your time to participate. And you can do so by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And to close off today's video, I am going to read from the scripture reading taken from Proverbs chapter 23, verse 23. And I'm reading from the Passion Translation, and it reads, "Embrace the truth and hold it close. Don't let go of wisdom, instruction, and life-giving understanding." Alright guys, so this was it for today. I thank you for your continued support, your words of encouragement. I thank you for showing up every single time. So take care of yourselves as always guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.